Smile in a Box, coDiagnostiX to Smile in a Box via caseXchange. Learn how to send case data from coDiagnostiX to Smile in a Box using caseXchange. caseXchange is the direct connection from the coDiagnostiX software to the Smile in a Box service. The coDiagnostiX user will be able to share the patient order, including DICOM, surface STL file, and the implant positioning with the Smile in a Box team by using this connection. Click on the caseXchange button in the bar at the top to start the connection. In this new window, you can already select from one of the connected reference labs or add a new partner. To add a new partner, click on the Add icon. Select Add Reference Laboratory. From the list, choose your Smile in a Box in your region. Click Request to connect to the Smile in a Box service and wait for the partner to confirm the connection. Once the connection is confirmed, you can send the case seamlessly via caseXchange. Simply select your Smile in a Box lab and click Send. After the case is sent, you will see the coDiagnostiX case ID. When submitting a Smile in a Box order on Straumann Access, include this case ID.